I'm Rebecca Lyons, and I'm the head of culinary development here at eMeals. And if you're like me, you have a love-hate relationship with back to school. We love it because we're going to be in a routine and the kids are going to be back in school, but then we are in a routine. So that means we have to get dinner on the table quickly. Well, here at eMeals, we have a solution for you. Our newest bonus collection is called Chick-fil-A Dinner Hacks. And every recipe starts with a 32-count bag of frozen chicken nuggets. And what the good thing is, you can use the frozen chicken nuggets, or you can go through your favorite drive-thru and get a 30-count chicken nugget to start the recipe. And they also make these grilled too to make it a little healthier. Chicken Parmesan stromboli is the recipe that we're going to show you how to make today. It starts with a can of pizza dough that you unroll just on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then you're going to take some pizza sauce, it's about a half a cup, and spread it over the dough. We're going to leave about a half inch to an inch edge on either side. And then we're going to take our chicken nuggets that I've chopped up a little bit, these out, and then we're going to top it with Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. This is a super fast recipe, guaranteed to get dinner on the table quickly, and everyone will love it. And then we're going to roll this up jelly roll fashion. We're going to take it and we're just going to roll it up. Keep rolling and rolling until we get it all the way to the end. And this way you've taken 30-count nugget or a bag of chicken nuggets and you've made dinner for your whole family. And we're going to tuck the ends under, cut slits in it about every 2 inches to allow steam to escape so that the dough will get done in the center. Brush it with some beaten eggs so it gets nice and brown while it's cooking. And it's going to bake at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and puffed. And this is so easy. I mean, you can add a bag salad or some steamed vegetables and dinner is on the table in no time. And here's our finished product, the chicken Parmesan stromboli. As you can see, it's golden brown and delicious and cheese is oozing out of it. And we just slice it and we serve it with some additional marinara sauce for you to dip in. Another one of the recipes on our bonus collection is this chicken Caesar wrap. So we've taken the chicken nuggets again and we've tossed it with some spinach and romaine lettuce and a little bit of Caesar dressing and Parmesan cheese, and then wrapped it in a flour tortilla. So you can kind of control what goes in the wrap, so you're not just getting like the standard thing you get here when you go to the drive-thru. If your family is anything like mine, chicken nuggets are always a hit at dinner. So make sure you check out our bonus collection on the eMeals website, and you too can have dinner on the table in no time.